If you're a beginner affiliate marketer or you have tried out affiliate marketer, I'm pretty sure you will relate with what you are seeing on the screen now. Most affiliate marketing e no go better for all that girl wey deceive me, chop my money. I registered something for months, 0 naira, no comot. That is the first one. You can see now, these are comments about affiliate marketing that some people have. Now, it now go to this other one. It is that your money that is a cash out. They will be talking about selling product that you cannot see. So, with this, I'm pretty sure you must have had this experience, and there is a high possibility that you would have come to a conclusion that affiliate marketing is a scam. See another one again. I bought one course like that, and all I saw was motivational talk, no real guide tutoring. Yes, you are going to see why it ended up that way for you. I'm going to be explaining certain things that made it appear to be a scam, and what are the things you need to fix to get a much more better result, especially if you spend money for the training anywhere. Now, the problem is not that affiliate marketing is a scam. The problem starts from this. This is where your problem started. Digital marketing is the new oil. I know they see this hype again. Yes, they first tell you digital marketing is a new oil. Now, because you are desperate for money, you run there hoping that you are going to cash out your own oil money. So this is where your problem starts. Now we are going to look at the solutions and some key things that you would have done to save you from all these things. There are some few things that you get to see that I'm going to be breaking them down that will help you get a much more better result now. The biggest cause of your problem started with this. You don't understand the rules/responsibility you are taking as an affiliate marketer. That is where your problem starts. Now, you need to understand what role you are signing into, what the responsibility you are signing into. Now, the responsibility you are signing into is you are going to take up the responsibility of advertising people's product. So that means for you to advertise a product, there are certain things you need to be aware of. And then for you to also get the necessary result, there are patterns that you need to follow. And then in addition to that, you need to understand that why is the company allowing you to take up the responsibility of advertising their product? That means there is a very big problem they are having. So you should be willing to solve that problem. This is why if you see this picture, you will see that they said where there is problem, there is profit. So that means for you to make that profit, you must be able to solve that problem for that product you are trying to, or for that company that you are signing into. Now, I'm going to be breaking them down step by step. So you are now going to take up the responsibility of advertising for them, bringing customers, making sales for them. Now, your problem starts from not understanding the role and the responsibility you are signing into, which is caused by you are thinking is a get rich quick scheme, because they say oil money, oil money, sharp. So the affiliate marketing way of making money is never a get rich quick scheme. You need to understand that there are the long-term strategy and there is the short-term strategy that you need. Short/long-term. So because you don't understand the role you signed for, this is how your problem began to compound. Your problem began to compound from here. You don't understand the product at all. Just like this very guy, just like this particular screenshot here, this first one, where the guy says, look at it, I bought one course like that. All I saw was motivational talk. There is possibility that the product is about solving people's problem. People who have problem with inspiring themselves. So he could not connect the dots between the product and what he is signing into. So that is why things like this happen. It might not be a scam, but he couldn't understand, figure out what was going on. So that is why you see, you must first understand the product very, very well. If it requires buying the product, buy it. There's possibility that he bought the product, but he ignored the part that he is supposed to full focus. Now he is focusing on different thing. Now, to understand the product, you must know what the product is about. By what we mean by the product is about is, okay, is it a digital product? Is it a physical product? Is it a product that is based on service? Is it a product that it can be delivered physically? Is it a product that can be delivered digitally? Is it a product that somebody will have to be there physically? Is it a product that people will need to consume? Or is it a product that somebody can just get and it begin to work for him? Or is it a product that requires following certain steps? Or is it a product that, like, let's say for example, if you are promoting a motivational sport kind of, it might not necessarily be the product that somebody will have to follow certain steps. It might be a product that somebody will just, it's about mind building. It might be a product that the person need to be watching it every day and then developing the right mindset towards certain things. So you need to understand the product very well. It can be a health related product, just a therapy that the person will just be watching and you'll be doing what is expected to do. It might not necessarily be on the computer. Now, because most people don't understand the product they are going in to promote, to sign in as affiliate, it also became a very big problem to understand what is the problem that the product is trying to solve. Now, for a person who has a hair related problem, you need to understand what are the common hair problems that people have. If it is a hair related product, so you need to know the problem that the product is trying to solve. By knowing it, you will know who need it. Then you now ask yourself, who are the people that need this product? Because if you promote the wrong product to a wrong place, people will not buy it. By knowing who need it, then you begin to ask yourself, where are they located? This is where you begin to look at the platform where they are found. Are they found around you in physical? Are they found on Facebook? Are they found on YouTube? Are they found on TikTok? Then you go deeper. Which group are they found? Are they people in your tribal meeting? Are they people in your school? Are they people in the military? Are they people in government job? Are they people doing private work? All these questions you must ask yourself. Then the next thing you look at is, how do you get their attention? You cannot just come and meet me and carry a product and tell me to buy. Or you begin to share random links. All those things you must pay close attention. See, you must go through that product like seriously. By doing that, you can even look at competitors, what they are doing. Then you will now ask yourself, why should they buy from you? This is where you also go deep into competitors. What are the competitors doing? How are they getting people to buy? What are the strategies they are using? Then you know. Then you also ask yourself, the payment and delivery system, what type of payment and delivery system are? Because if you don't understand the payment and delivery system, you will be in a pure mess. You can do all the marketing in the world for 1 month, 6 months, you will not get a single result. Because you cannot carry a product that is designed in US and then you are bringing it to go and sell it in some African countries, that to people that in some locations that those people have never known what it means to have a bank account. They don't know what is international transaction about. So how do you want them to pay? You'll be wasting your time. You might put all the necessary steps together, get the attention, do everything. If the person have never owned a bank account before, he will not be able to pay. If the person have never owned a US dollar account before, he will not be able to pay. If the person has never known how to access a virtual dollar card before or a physical dollar card before, he will not be able to pay, or Euro card or whatsoever. So all those things you must ask yourself. You must look at those things. It's why you know it that, okay, this is why sometimes when I'm giving my own resources, when I'm promoting the product, even my own product, I put up some other extra guides so that you know how to make payment and get payment to access it. By the time you do that, you will now look at what is the delivery method. How is the product going to be delivered? So the customer must have a very good understanding of the product. If not, trust. People will not buy from people they don't trust. So the person who is paying must know how he gets his product. So it's not just about promoting links. So all those questions, you must answer them. If possible, get a pen and paper and answer them. Make sure every single question here answers. And then you now go further into look at how do you market it? How do you create awareness? What budget? So by the time you understand this, you will now look at how does the platform work? This platform that you are going into signing as an affiliate, how do they work? How do you get your referral link? How do they connect you between the affiliate platform and then the product owner? How do they connect you guys? How does the system works? How do you get approval? Is it by paying money? Or do you just have to go and create an account and that's all? How does your system monitor clicks? How does your system monitor referrals? What are their conversion process pattern? What are their withdrawal method? How do you withdraw your money? What are their platform rules? There are some platforms that they are so strict that they don't allow you to run adverts. If you run it, you are doing it on your own. Running advert on certain platform, maybe email or social media or what, you need to do that. How do you promote your referral link? You cannot just start posting the link anyhow. You must have some few things that will make it work. And just as I've said, your beginning, the first step you are getting into will determine how far you go in any part of life. Because most people are attracted by the luxury. So because you are attracted by the luxury, you are constantly looking at the luxury side of things and you are not paying attention to the main thing that matters. You are not paying attention to the strategy that you need to learn, the strategy you need to do, the implementation process that is required. And at the end, you need to understand that you are picking up because you are not picking up a lifestyle of an advertiser. Now, if you are picking up a lifestyle of an advertiser, that means you are going to invest a lot in learning about advertising, from sales marketing, from marketing to sales closing, down to delivery. How do you handle objections? How do you handle complaints? You are picking up a very big task that you are ignorant of. Once you are beginning to go into taking up the role of an affiliate marketer. That is the truth. This is why it doesn't work for a lot of people. It works for only very few. So most people don't understand how deep it is. They just look at the shallow point. Now, to become a successful advertiser, that you are not picking up this role, whether it's for a physical product, digital product, or whatsoever, I'll be dropping a part 2 of this video. Now, the part 2, I'm going to be breaking down all these things down for you in detail, so that you can make something out of it. So affiliate marketing is not a scam. You are not paying attention to all these things I'm breaking down for you. You didn't pay attention. It's not a scam. Now, some of the people who taught you affiliate marketing that you paid, what they try to do is they are teaching you how to promote that particular product alone, just like what we have here. Just like what we have here. Just like what this one, I bought one course like that. All I saw was motivational talk. He must have given an introductory part of it. He's trying to explain everything. But this person's attention was not on understanding what was going on. So he was carried away. And when you are promoting affiliate related product, you need to be mindful. That is why you need to get the product. You need to understand the product very well, so that you don't end up promoting scam. So if you're interested, check the description box of this video. I'll be dropping the link to the second video. Then all the steps, I'm going to be giving you guys the template and some other stuff that you need to be aware of, so that you become a very successful marketer at the end of the day, so that you don't get scammed again. So see you guys in my next video. There are other resources I'll be leaving in the description box of this video where you can also have access to, so do well to check it.